Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we're going to be going through a certain famous strategy in crypto and in finance in general. Invest when there is blood in the street. The infamous quotation by Rothschild. Basically, it is a strategy as well. So we're going to be discussing them as it is relevant at the moment in the current market when everything is down mostly. So it's going to be an interesting video. Do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins as well as other potential gems as well. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for regular videos. Guys, you can also support the channel on Patreon where we have discussions as well as you guys can request me any crypto project to research and then cover and make a video on it. All of that stuff. If you're interested, then do support on Patreon. Anyways, guys, the market has been brutal. Not that much. We've been used to it in the bear market, but yeah, BTC has been down. Let me check other coins as well. But before that, let me show you BTC news. So basically, when there is bad news, it is filled by other bad news and FUD and uncertainty, which drops the price further. So we cannot point out exactly what has happened. There are a lot of factors that have basically shaped this. One of them is also profit make. Throughout the year, BTC has had a role as well. Check this out. Since January 2023, it is about time. I mean, it needs to basically dip as well. There are dips here, but these are small ones. These are bound to happen, and these are crucial resistance levels over here as well. When we talk in terms of pure technical aspects of it, so these are also the factors that we check out. But there are other factors as well. There are instigators that trigger the price drops and price increases. One of them, check this out, Bitcoin spot ETF proposals to be rejected by SEC. Mr. Gary Gensler has struck again. SEC Chair Gensler is not embracing crypto in the US, and it might even be a very long shot to expect that he would vote to approve. SEC stock exchange officials meet ahead of potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval. The final decision has not been made, but sources close to the proceedings say that SEC could begin notifying issuers of approval on Friday. SEC will reject all Bitcoin spot ETFs in January, says Metrixport analyst. So there are various factors. So, anyways, when this happens, price drops. There is also an opportunity to buy as well, as the popular saying goes. Check this out. There are a lot of coins that are in the red. I mean, this is Veracity down almost 18.31%, 7 days, 26.27%. Yeah, so even if there is uncertainty in certain coins, the price plummet of this sort magnifies that. But there are other coins as well, guys, that have been doing good. Check this out. Stronghold has been on fire, guys. Stronghold has been awesome. Check this out. 793.45% for the month. So there are exceptions. There are exceptions, but overall, the market has reacted to the BTC drop. Link. There are a lot of projects that we cover on this channel, but on the top of my head, check this out, 7.22% down for the day. Might be what the investing strategy is that you buy when there is blood, when the market is red. Sometimes that red dips even further into the abyss. So it might happen that it goes down back here. Like, I mean, investment is extremely risky, obviously, but this is the safest way to invest, in my opinion, because buying the top is truly unsafe. The best entry is when the markets have been down, and in the deep ends of the bear market, those were the best times to buy. Now, when these dips happen, there is also risks to go. It might go down here or even here. I mean, you never know. I'm just saying. So, but still, these are the better buying opportunities in terms of that. Let us check out XDC network. XDC network. So yeah, it is down as well. I'm making an interesting video on XDC network as well. I might post it. I've made it, and also a potential gem as well, an RWA potential gem. So that is also in the line. I might post that earlier than XDC one. Let's see. Anyways, guys, let me show you this post as well. Contrarian investing, contrarian investing. Buy when there is blood in the streets. So these are the times when we need to filter the sounds, filter the noise, and think clearly with conviction with the plays we hold. Sometimes we doubt it. Sometimes we have double thoughts about it. So that thing happens. But we have to invest in good projects and hold them during these times. These are crucial times as well. Sometimes taking profits is also a good strategy. Anyways, contrarian investing is a strategy of going against prevailing market trends or sentiment. The idea is that the markets are subject to herding behavior augmented by fear and greed, making markets periodically over and underpriced. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This is a famous saying by Warren Buffett. Basically, during times like these, when others aren't fearful, I mean, yeah, there is concern to be fair. People see red, and there's psychological element associated with this. People are fearful. So, according to Mr. Warren Buffett, you have to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy, guys. So this can be applied even in the long run, because check this out. When XDC was in the red, check this out. I mean, XDC or any other coin, let's say, was in the red. Those who invested here made profit. Those who were fearful over here, they couldn't basically take benefit from this move and rally over here. So this is a famous saying of Mr. Warren Buffett, a phrase that encapsulates the contrarian philosophy. So basically, you have to go against the larger sentiment in the market. This sometimes plays out, and sometimes it basically tarnishes one's portfolio as well. Let me give you an example. If you had bought over here, like here or here, let's suppose, and people would have said, okay, no, you have to you need to hold, you do not sell it. I mean, be others are fearful, so you need to be greedy. This dipped, further dipped. So obviously there are a lot of things associated with it. Where are we in the bear market? Where are we in the general cycle and macro level, macroeconomics and all of that stuff as well, the microeconomics as well. So these all are need to be considered while strategizing. But this is one of the strategies, I mean, and a rather profitable one as well when timed correctly in the right cycle, in the right time. So, yeah, historically, market panics can be a great chance for low priced investments. Being a contrarian can be rewarding, but it is often a risky strategy that may take a long period of time to pay off. Maybe someone would have bought over here, it would have dumped and dumped. After a few years, he would be again in profit. I mean, yeah, that sort of stuff happens. Timing, in my opinion, is extremely important. Whatever anyone says, the timing multiplies your gains, basically. Check this out. Bad times make for good buys. In the 1973 to 74 bear market, talking about the stock bear market, the crash of 1987, also known as the Black Monday, even the 2008 financial crisis, there were buying times. So whoever invested in those times may have made, I mean, a fortune. After the September 11th attacks, the terrorist attacks, the world stopped flying for a while. So there have been a lot of buying opportunities such as this, which have been tied with the larger macroeconomy. or politics and all of that stuff. Buffet said he was buying shares in the company at a deep discount, as evidenced by the fact that the company could have sold the post's assets to any one of the 10 buyers for not less than $400 million, probably appreciably more. So, meanwhile, the Washington Post company had only an $8.80 million market cap at the time. In 2013, the company was sold to Amazon's billionaire CEO and founder Jeff Bezos for $250 million in cash. So check this out, guys. There are a lot of projects in crypto that are way less than $80 million at the moment. I mean, yeah, and the risks of contrary investing, where the most famous contrary investors put big money on the line, swam against the current of common opinion, and came out on top. They also did some serious research to ensure that the crowd was indeed wrong. So, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Where are you in the bear market? Where are you in the market in general? The macroeconomics, what is happening in politics, the news, everything counts. I mean, when you time it. So when a stock takes a nosedive, this doesn't prompt a contrarian investor to put in an immediate buy order, but to find out what has driven the stock down and whether the drop in price is justified. So yeah, so basically there are a lot of ways you can go, but this is one of the famous strategies, guys. So I thought of making this video because of the larger sentiment in the market and what's happening around. So, guys, if you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in uh, utility coins and other potential gems as well that we cover regularly, then do hit this subscribe button and hit the notification button as well. And you guys can also support on Patreon, where you can connect on a deeper level and support the channel. You can have requests to cover certain crypto projects. You guys can do that as well. Anyways, guys, if you like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.